How long have you had it?
I've had it for 3 years.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep for about 8 hours.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
Where was your last trip?
I went to the beach last month.
What's your favorite drink?
I really like orange juice.
Do you drink it every day?
No, just on weekends.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy painting.
How often do you paint?
I try to paint once a week.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I had toast and eggs.
Was it good?
Yes, it was delicious.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love listening to music.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy pop and rock music.
Are you good at math?
It's not my best subject.
Do you use math in your job?
Yes, I use basic math every day.
What's your favorite TV show?
I really like watching nature documentaries.